Welcome to the Teja Statistics. Today we are learning about scale of measurement. The very important questions in testing of hypothesis and order statistics and the scale of measurement is very important. The variables or numbers are defined and categorized using different scales of measurements. Each level of measurement scale has specific properties that determine the various use statistical analysis. There are four different scale of measurements. They are called nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio. Level of uh, measurements can be shown here, that is nominal. Named variables, ordinal in the sense named plus ordered variables. Next, interval means named plus ordered plus proportionate interval between variables, and ratio means these are all named, ordered and proportionate interval between variables and can accommodate absolute zero also. Let's see the definitions of nominal with some examples. Nominal scale data. A nominal scale data is the first level of measurement of scale in which the numbers serve as tags or labels to classify the or identify the objects. A nominal scale usually details or deals with the non-numerical variables or the numbers that do not have any value. Okay, qualitative or categorical data, example gender, color and the labels. Order or rank does not matter here. Next, if you consider the ordinal data, the name itself it is telling that it is having some ordered variables. The ordinal scale data is the second level of measurement that reports the ordering and ranking of the data without establishing the degree of variation between them. Ordinal presents the order. Okay. Next, see some examples. Ordinal data is also known as qualitative data or categorical data. It can be grouped, named and also ranked. Rank is important, order matters. Next, difference cannot be measured. Here we can't able to measure the difference between them, but we can give the order to the given data. Ranking of school students, first, second, third, etc. Assessing the degree of agreement, that is totally agree, neutral, disagree, total disagree, like that. Next, interval scale data. This is very important. And interval scale is the third level of measurement. It is defined as the quantitative measurement scale in which the difference between the two variables is meaningful. In other words, the variables are measured in an exact manner, not as a relative way in which the presence of zero is arbitrary. Here, the order matters, difference can be measured here, ratio cannot be measured, and no zero starting point. Example, uh, Likert scale, net promoter score, next, bipolar matrix table, and IQ level. These are the some examples for interval. So how much do you like this concept. Give some interval estimation, interval scaling, that is called, if you like, the like scale, that is some quantity. You are representing this data with the quantity numbers. So here it is an interval scale. Let's read about the last scale, that is ratio scale data. The ratio scale data is the fourth level of measurement. The scale which is quantitative. It is type of variable measurement. The scale, it allows researchers to compare the difference or intervals. The ratio scale has unique feature. It possesses the character of origin or the 0 points. The order matters, the differences are measurable here, and contains a constant a0 starting point. You can consider student marks in a scale, in a class. The student marks can be considered comes under the ratio scale. It involves all the numerical data and starting with the value of the 0 also. This is a very important scale of measurements. Please learn thoroughly. In examination they are regularly asking. Please look at this chart. You can easily understood and easily identify. Nominal means just naming the variables a, b, c, d, x, y, z, p, q, r, like that. If you give any rank to them, then that is called ordinal data. The numbers are involved here. Next, coming to the interval, named, ordered, and it is not containing the 0. It is not starting at the values with the 0. Here you can make comparisons. This is also be called as numerical quantitative data. Here ordinal is qualitative. Next, nominal is just only the numbers. Okay, coming to the ratio, it is involves all the values, nominal, ordinal, and the interval also with the 0, with the 0 starting value. This is very important definition, levels of measurements, and easy to understand. Nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio scales. Okay, this is very useful for the both BSc and BCom students also. Please learn thoroughly. Thank you.